Assalamualaikum, good day everyone. My name is Ida Yayu Nurul Hiskia and I am as a presenter. So, I will to present my research that have been conducted by myself. The title is The Development of Digital Habits of Mind Indicators, Grounded Theory. Yes, this is actually a grounded theory. So, I proposed a new perspective of thinking for habits of mind. Before we move to deeper explanation, let's start with the definitions of habits of mind itself. Marzano et al. Revealed that students' habits of mind were seen from three categories, namely critical thinking, creative thinking, and self-regulation. The development of students' critical thinking skills can be accompanied by a scientific attitude. Scientific attitude itself is related to habits of mind because the indicators are related, one of which is curiosity. In addition to critical thinking, indicators of habits of mind according to Marzano are creative thinking. Creative thinking is a situation where a person can make new combination based on existing data to solve a problem. And the last is self-regulation, includes the ability to control, regulate, plan, and monitor oneself to achieve a goal. In this case, oneself is an individual who actualizes himself by showing an attitude through stages in the form of self-observation, self-assessment, and self-response. Next, we move to another variable, namely digital age literacy. Current technological developments make students have a lot of access in obtaining learning materials. The easier it is for students to obtain information, the students will be more productive in carrying out their learning task. Therefore, the duties and responsibilities of teachers are not just preparing material, but preparing students to have the ability to manage information obtained from digital platforms. Therefore, digital literacy are needed that allows students to be able to search, study, analyze, and compare these findings with other sources. Given the importance of these abilities to be possessed by students and teachers, the purpose of this research is to develop indicators of digital habits of mind. This indicator is a grounded theory where the researcher is the formulator, which will later be used as a new theoretical framework in biology research and teaching. At this stage, the researcher conducted a study on two major topics that became the reference for the indicators developed, namely about habits of mind and digital age literacy. In the Delphi method, as many references to topics as possible are collected to obtain indicators, whereas in this study, only one framework is referred to each. Habits of mind used the Marzano version, and digital age literacy used the NCRL version. Digital habits of mind is a new frame of mind that has been developed. The framework serves to measure the literacy skills of students in using digital media. The literacy skills in questions are not only limited to reading and writing, but also thinking skills that require empirical steps. Digital habits of mind is not just a skill. The word habits is a translation of the word habit. So that if this skill is always practiced, it will become a new and useful habit for a student. This process produces 21 indicators which can be seen fully on my full paper. That's all the purpose of my paper, and those the 21 indicators as a product of my research. I think that's all from me. Thank you.